Hi, I'm Gary Erickson.
And I'm Kit Crawford, and welcome to the Clif family farm. This wine is our first wine we ever made. It's called Kit's Killer Cab, after me. I started falling in love with wine when I tasted a really good cab, and so over the years we've just refined it more and more, and we still are enjoying this wonderful cab. Kit's Killer Cab, Cabernet Sauvignon.
One of my favorite ones is called Gary's Improv. It's a Zinfandel. I love Zinfandel, always have. But also interesting is that there's kind of three things going on here. There's the wine itself, the Zinfandel, which is very, very California varietal. But you can also see we have a chain, a cog and a chain representing the bicycle, and then Gary's Improv, which represents my love of jazz. So we've kind of got three things going on at once. It's a wonderful, eclectic wine with a lot of things going on.